Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to set up an auto attendant on the Vodafone Relate Cloud PBX system. Log into the installer portal on the Vodafone Relate Cloud PBX and you first arrive on the overview page which shows the details of the system. Click on the System tab and go to the Auto Attendant page. Click on the Help symbol here for an explanation of the auto attendant, and you can watch the video here on how to get started in programming the auto attendant. So the auto attendant is used to answer incoming calls to the business automatically, and it allows the caller to reach the destination they require by dialing digits in response to pre-recorded messages. For example, when a caller is first connected to the auto attendant, they may receive a message saying dial 1 for sales, dial 2 for technical support, dial 3 for accounts. And in this way, by dialing a digit, they can be connected to the selected department, or indeed they may even be able to dial directly into the user within the company by dialing their extension number. The system has 300 auto attendant messages, and these can be programmed to guide callers through several messages to reach their final destination. For example, the first message might propose a list of departments. Once the caller has selected a department, the second message then might list the individual employees within a department and ask the caller to select one of those. This page lists all 300 auto attendant messages in the system. There are 5 default messages programmed in the system. The first one is a welcome and dial message. When callers arrive into the Cloud PBX, they are connected to this message and they get the company's welcome message, and they're asked to dial then from a list of options. The second message is a welcome to the queue. So when customers are being queued for an attendant, they're given this welcome message and asked to be patient and wait in the queue. Then we have another message for holding in the queue, a message which is given to out-of-hours callers who are sent to voicemail, and a message which is given to out-of-hours callers and the call cleared down. The next column shows the duration of the recorded audio message. The next column has a number of controls which allow you to play the message, to delete the message, or to upload an audio file into the system with the message. Each message has a unique number which is used for routing incoming calls to that message. It also has a delay timer which allows the system to ring internal agents for the period of the delay before starting the message. The digits assignment link allows us to program the response of the auto attendant to digits dialed by callers in response to the auto attendant message. The last column, Q, allows us to attach a position in queue message to an auto attendant. This allows callers to be made aware of their position in a holding queue. However, before programming the individual messages, the first step is to route incoming calls to connect to a message. To do this, go to the Trunks tab and select Call Flow. Here we have a list of phone numbers on the system, and to route incoming calls for these phone numbers, we click on the Edit button. Here we program the flow of incoming calls to this number. We can assign calls to an internal extension by picking one from the list here and clicking on the plus sign and adding it to the assignment column. In our case, we want to assign the calls to an auto attendant, so we go to the auto attendant panel, click on the plus symbol, and select from one of the 300 auto attendant messages. We're going to select the welcome and dial message. So we can see here now the welcome and dial message has been assigned to this number. Press save. We can see here on the call flow page that incoming calls to this number are now assigned to connect to the welcome and dial message. Let's go back now to the auto attendant and program the responses for this welcome and dial message. So we go to System and click on the auto attendant page. So the welcome and dial message may offer callers a menu such as dial 1 for accounts, dial 2 for technical support, dial 3 for sales. The digits assignment page allows us to program the response of the system to the digits dialed by the caller. So let's press on the digits page and see the various actions to be programmed. Here we have a list of all of the digits that can be dialed by a caller, and for each digit we can assign a response by the system. So typically a response could be to connect the caller to an individual internal extension on the system. The caller can be connected to a group or indeed to another auto attendant message. On this page we can also program the response of the system if there are no digits dialed by the caller, or if the destination selected by the caller is busy or unavailable. That's a brief overview of the setup of the auto attendant. If you want further information, please click on the online help symbol here, where you'll find detailed explanations of all the parameters and how to program them. So thanks for watching.